What will happen if you habitually eat broccoli more often? Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Our topic for today is about eating sweet potato. If you eat broccoli, you'll experience several potential health benefits and some minor considerations. Broccoli is a highly nutritious vegetable that belongs to the cruciferous family. Here's what typically happens when you consume broccoli. Nutritional benefits. Broccoli is rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins, such as vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, and several B vitamins, minerals, such as potassium and calcium, and dietary fiber. These nutrients play vital roles in supporting overall health and well-being. Antioxidant properties. Broccoli contains antioxidants like sulforaphane, which can help protect your body's cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Antioxidants are essential for reducing oxidative stress and decreasing the risk of chronic diseases. Digestive health. The fiber content in broccoli aids in digestion and supports a healthy gut. It can help prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Immune system support. The vitamin C and other antioxidants in broccoli contribute to a strong immune system, helping your body fight off infections and illnesses. Potential cancer-fighting properties. Some studies suggest that compounds in broccoli, like sulforaphane, may have anti-cancer properties, although more research is needed in this area. Minor gas or bloating. Some people may experience mild gas or bloating after consuming broccoli due to its fiber content. However, this usually subsides as your body adjusts to the increased fiber intake. It's important to note that while broccoli is highly nutritious, individual reactions to foods can vary. If you have specific allergies or sensitivities, you should be cautious when trying new foods, including broccoli. In general, eating broccoli as part of a balanced diet can be a healthy addition to your meals and contribute to your overall well-being. It's always a good idea to maintain a diverse diet that includes various fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and healthy fats to ensure you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.